Hi, this is Cobus from GFP Machines in Cape Town. Just want to showcase some of the machinery we've recently installed here at our customer Cape Town Oaks. They manufacture oak flooring and a variety of other oak specific products. We've got here a beautiful straight line ripsaw. It's got a laser guide, a fantastic high precision ripping machine. We've got a double cross cut machine for cutting the timber to the correct length. Got some extractors, of course, and a Weilich Profimat molder. These German molders, still standing the test of time, fully serviced, fantastic machine. It's been set up to have very precise accuracy, and the customer is very, very happy with that. And then over here, single antenna, and the beauty that was recently delivered. Rhino band resaw. Very good high precision resawing solution. And customer is very, very happy with it.